Hi, good afternoon, everyone. It's me, Wei Xiang here. Feeling a little under the weather today. Shall try my best to do this question for you. I might not be able to do one tomorrow. We'll see how it goes. Yeah. Anyway, Ashley and Kieran went to a fun fair with a total of this amount of money. After Ashley spent 1/5 of her money and Kieran spent 1/3 of his money, Kieran had twice as much money. So the key here is to draw a model, and we draw a comparison model between Ashley and Kieran. If Ashley spent 1/5, then Ashley should have 4 units left. Okay, so we go 1, 2, 3, and 4. If Kieran spent 1/3, and Kieran had twice as much money left. So Kieran, in this sense, okay, if we draw a model down to compare, okay, Kieran should have twice as much of money. So, which is just nice also, because if this is twice the amount, this will also be 1/3 that is spent. This is the 2/3 that is left. So if you notice, to make the unit the same, then we just cut this further. So in a sense, this model here represents what's left. We put in the 1/5 that was spent by Ashley, and we put in another 1/3. Okay, that is spent by Kieran. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, right? 2, 3, and 4. The total here would be $42.50. So once you get to this, you can solve everything. Okay, so I just get down to the mechanics behind it. 17 units is $42.50. 1 unit is $2.50. So part A, they're asking you, I got no space, so I'll do it here. Yeah, part A, how much money did Kieran have at first? Kieran had 12 units. 12 units will be $30. And how much money did they spend altogether? Well, they spent 5 units altogether, and that is $12.50. And there you have it, very simple question done in a very simple way using the model. I'd just like to share a little story. Yesterday I was having a chat with a parent who was very anxious about the child's progress at my tuition center. I mean, who wouldn't be? Every parent would be very, what do you call, anxious. But the parent was very anxious about the child not being able to solve the word problems right at the back of a P4 paper, the last 4 or the last 5. Well, the truth is, the child is struggling with what is in front. So, if a child is already struggling with what is in front, that is the basics, then really we shouldn't be trying to focus too much on the ones at the back. Now, what's my point in sharing this? My point in sharing this is to actually to reiterate the idea and the key concept that learning, and especially learning math, is a step-by-step process. We shouldn't jump steps. We should look for ways and means that are age appropriate, that will help in the understanding of the basics before moving on into the intermediate and advanced steps and questions. Because there is really no point in getting a child to learn nothing but word problems when they already have problems with basics. We're building a tower with a very weak foundation, and eventually this tower will topple. So I would strongly urge that parents, if you have children who your child, or you have students or tutors who have students who are not exactly performing very well for their basic questions. Now, what are basic questions? 1-2 mark questions that require about 3 steps maximum. If they have problems with those, focus on those first before we move on any further, because what we are doing is we are actually trying to get them to develop an understanding rather than just simply rote learning. So that's all I have today. Good luck to those students taking the PSLE. One day down, one more day to go tomorrow. All the best, and you get to enjoy a weekend for a while, and then after that it's back to the grind. A few more weeks and your exams are here. I'll try my very best to do another video tomorrow. I'm really not feeling too good, so hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much. Bye.